Let's learn to draw a bush rabbit.
When I looked at the rabbit, I found several shapes. I found an oval for the body, an oval, smaller oval for the head, smaller ovals for the ears, a straight line for the leg, another shorter straight line for the leg, the back leg, an oval, a longer small oval for the foot, and for the front foot another oval, and finally a small oval for the tail. Now let's start drawing the bush rabbit. Find an empty space on your paper. Begin by drawing the body. Make sure that you're pressing lightly with your pencil, as you'll be doing a lot of erasing, and that is okay. Start by drawing the body. It's the largest oval. The body's the largest part of the bunny. Then draw a smaller oval for the head. Draw some skinny ovals for the ears. Then draw a straight line for the front leg and a straight line for the back leg. Then draw an oval for the back paw, which is longer and larger on a bunny. And then draw a smaller oval for the front paw. And then finally, draw the tail. Now we can start drawing details. You can put this on pause or follow along if you want. Let's start connecting some of the shapes and drawing in some of the details now. So we're going to connect the head to the body with a nice straight line in there, and underneath the chin, and then the tail, we are going to connect the legs by making them a little wider and drawing two lines on either side. I'll bring this up into the body. That's his back hind leg. Now I'm going to draw in the eye. And make sure you can follow along. Now once that's drawn in, I can draw the nose, and the nose is kind of like a triangular shape. I'll try that one more time. There we go. You can color it in if you want, and bring it to the front like that. And then there's one more ear at the back here that we need to draw in. And now we can start drawing in some fur, but first, before we do that, let's clean up some of these areas that we no longer need. You don't see shapes on a bunny in the wild, so these were only to help us draw. We'll be doing more erasing as we go along. It's okay to use guides to help you draw. Artists always do that. Now, let's draw one more leg here in the front, and one for the back. We'll make that back paw a little bit better. And we'll do a little tiny bit of erasing on that back paw. Not much, just a little. Now we will give it some toes. So right now we're just drawing in a little bit of detail. And now the only thing missing is some fur. So let's do the inside of the ear. And now let's draw some fur. The fur goes this way, so if you look at the photo, your photo will help you figure out which way the fur goes. So right now I'm looking at the photo and the fur is all coming this way. So we'll just do that. And as you get closer, it goes more like this. And up the nose a little bit. And then we go this way down. Makes it look more real when you follow the way the fur goes on the photo. Okay. So, and it's okay to use photos. They're called reference photos to make sure that you're getting the rabbit looking the way he's looking. So let's go ahead and do that. And I'm not making this as detailed as I usually would because you're just learning. We don't have to do that. Make the tail look a little bit fluffy. The fur on his back hind leg goes kind of this way. And then if you look here, it goes down and around. So we keep going this way. And if you look here, it goes more like that. So as you get closer to that area, you can do that. And then it goes kind of like this down here. You'll take notice of all these small details when you start drawing more. So there's the bunny. The only thing missing now are the whiskers. So right here, give him a few whiskers. And I believe that's it. And that is our bunny. Let's go on to the next animal.